Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making banana coconut cake, so keep watching if you want to see how I made this. First I will sieve all my dry ingredients: 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, half cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. I will stir to combine and set aside. In another bowl, I will add 6 ripe bananas and mash it roughly like this with my fork. Next, I will add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 whisked eggs, 8 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 cup of milk. I will stir to combine and set aside. The next step is to combine the dry and the wet ingredients together, but before I do that, I will add 1 cup of pecan nut and 1 cup of coconut flakes. You can skip the pecan nut and make do with the coconut flakes, it's still fine, but the two combination makes it more rich. I will stay to combine and add the wet ingredients. I will give it a good mix, making sure that everything is well combined. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. Next, I will transfer in my baking pan and bake for 40 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. "40 minutes later, our cake is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.